Aquarium Man equals 129. That's the current temperature in Sydney is 12.9. House number 9. That was the first house I looked at actually. It was number 9. 9 is the wind speed in Perth. Aquarium Man equals 129. Bushfire equals 88. Nathan died in a bushfire near Melbourne. Kinglake West is where he was. Dead equals 14. The word dead, D-E-A-D, has a value of 14. That's just adding up the letters according to their place in the alphabet. D plus E plus A plus D equals 14. Bushfire equals 88. Aquarium Man equals 129. 9. The age Samuel's turning on the 24th of June, which is a Sunday. 16 is the age of William the Mirror Boy. The Mirror Boy of Jacob and Nathan is 16 years old. The current temperature in Perth. He goes to Perth quite a lot. 8 plus 8, 16. Add another 8. What do you got? 24. 24, Samuel's birthday. Zombie Boy equals 112. Bad equals 7. 7. 7. Love equals 54. Angelic equals 51. Demon equals 51. What do we got? 9:37 PM right now in Sydney. No, it's not. It's frozen on that time. That's a couple of minutes ago. It's caught up. It's 9:39. 39, the value of angel. Angel, 39. 93. 93 is Papandayan, the name of a volcano on Java, Indonesia. That's where Samuel was born. Zombie Boy, 112. Or Kinky Boy is also 112. St. Joseph is 112. That's where Jake's from. The town of St. Joseph in Minnesota. His Mirror Boy, William, is 16 years old. 9. The age Sammy's turning. Samuel. Sam. On the 24th of June. The other Samuel's turning 9 on the 16th of December. 16. December 16. Love, 54. Bad, 7. 6, the devil's number. Turn 6 on its head, you get 9. Nathan Breeze often travelled to Darwin. Darwin equals 69. Red Rain equals 69. Turn 6 on its head, you get 9. William the Mirror Boy, who is turning 16 on the 6th of the 9th, he often travelled to Perth. Still does. Aquarium Man. The Aquarium Man. I went looking for house number 9. I thought it might be number 9. It wasn't number 9. It was number 6. Turn 9 on its head and you get 6. That's in the Dark Tower by Stephen King. With this, we've got a nice big letter J. Can't see the bottom of it, but you can imagine it. Love, 54. Love. Angelic, love. Angelic, love. Kinky Boy. Angelic, Kinky Boy, love. 88. Bushfire. Nathan died in a bushfire. What else equals 88? Ghosts. Ghost is 69. turn 6 on its head and you get 9. Ghosts equals 88. Bushfire. Macquarie. Macquarie. Macquarie is the name of a lighthouse in Sydney. But love is 54. Angelic. 51. Angelic. Love. Bad, bad, bad. Kinky boy. J. J for Jake. J for Jayton. With a love heart. Look. A love heart etched in the clouds. Very nice. J. Very nice, Jake. Very nice. You got a love heart up here too. Interesting. Very nice. Sydney. Up near Sydney, there's a lighthouse in Sydney called Macquarie Lighthouse. It's the oldest lighthouse site in Australia. It's not actually the oldest lighthouse because it was knocked down and rebuilt, but it's the oldest lighthouse site in Australia. Look at all the rain coming into Sydney now. It's a lot. So it's going up to 36 past 9 Eastern Standard Time, 5th of June 2018. East Coast low. Maybe there's going to be an East Coast low. This is not an East Coast low. This is onshore winds producing heavy, very heavy coastal rain. That is heavy. Especially down around Wollongong. Anyway, a lot of coastal New South Wales is going to pick up some badly needed rain. Pretty much everywhere needs rain. It's been such a dry and such a warm autumn. Unbelievable. Aquarium man. Jake was 11 when he died. And he was born on the 17th. Birthday equals 87. Nathan David Breeze equals 159. And Nathan died in house number 9. He was one of 9 people who died in house number 9, Pine Ridge Road, Kinglake West. Nathan David Breeze, 159. Kinky Boy, 112. Zombie Boy. Bad equals 7. Bad, 7. Evil equals 48. Rude, 48. Samuel's last name has a value of 48. Love. Love. I love Samuel's evil drawing. I am your friend. So much in this drawing, actually. Samuel's 8. Almost 9. It's amazing how much creativity kids can have. But he tapped into a lot here. Because he couldn't have known that when I was 14, my memory of what happened to me when I was 13 was jolted by a character in a TV show. There was an Aussie soapy set in Sydney called E Street, and there was a character named Stephen Richardson, and he used to paint his face. He was disturbed, messed up guy. He started painting his face half silver, half black. And for some reason he jolted my memory. Or maybe it was his name, Stephen. jolted my memory of the guy who approached me at Western Park when I was 13. Not that I knew anything had happened to me, but yeah, Samuel tapped into that. When he handed me this drawing, he said, "This is the story of your life." Then he said, "Just kidding, this is for Halloween pranks." Nathan and Jake were really big on pranks. They loved practical jokes. They loved April Fool's Day. Jake, the loving, mischievous zombie boy from St. Joseph, Minnesota, in the USA. Zombie boy, 112. Bad equals 7. Evil, bad. Bad, evil. Evil, bad. Samuel's bad, evil drawing. Rude, wild, wet equals 48. It gets pretty wild and wet when we get an East Coast low. That's when we get our wildest and most wet weather. We've got a bit of wet weather coming, see? Over coming days, we're going to get a bit of rain. When's that for? Oh, this is past rain. Yeah, well, we actually haven't had much. Just where we are. We're in one of those little dots with no rain. Much. Not much. Not enough. It's very dry. Yeah, it's like that. Yeah. Something like that. Dry. Dry, dry, dry. But the J is coming. The J. Wetter. Wet. Wet 48. The wet boy's gonna bring the rain. The wet zombie boy. The evil zombie boy. The evil bad, evil zombie boy from St. Joseph. He's bringing the love. See? The love. Birthday love. So Samuel's birthday is 24th of June, but something's going to happen before then. Something's going to happen on the 16th. The mirror boy of Jake and Nathan, he's turning 16 on the 6th of the 9th. Something's going to happen on the 16th of June. It's a Saturday, and it's a reflection of Saturday the 19th of June 1999. A ghost face, look at that. Saturday the 19th of June 1999 is the keystone date in The Dark Tower by Stephen King. See, this year the Saturday lands on the Tuesday. This Saturday lands on the Tuesday. What kind of retarded statement is that? What I meant to say is the 19th lands on the Tuesday. The 19th is a Tuesday, which is all fine and well. I was born on a Tuesday, and I was 19 once. In 1999, the 19th of June was a Saturday. This year, the Saturday's the 16th. Do you know what I mean? Saturday the 16th is a reflection of Saturday the 19th of June, 1999. It's 19 years this year since the keystone date in The Dark Tower by Stephen King, but it's meant to be a Saturday. 16th is the Saturday. So something's going to happen on the 16th of June. It's a reflective date. Like angelic equals 51. Demon equals 51. Face equals 15. William, the mirror boy, is 15 years old. Samuel's turning 9. 16. So we're talking 11 days from today, because today's the 5th. And in 11 days, it will be the 16th. And in 19 days, it will be the 24th. Sunday the 24th. So what's going to happen? Something wild? Something rude? Something evil? I don't know. How would I know? I'm just a boy. I'm just a boy. Samuel. You know, there was a boy, aged 11 at my work, back in 2012, and his name was Josh. So when I had a dream, and I saw the message, have faith, Josh equals 52, by the way. Have faith, Josh, 10, 9, 45. 6 equals 52 as well. So it's kind of like 9, 6 right now. When I saw have faith, Josh, 10, 9, 45, I connected it to Josh. $9:45, that's like the time of something. The time of something. Still got some love happening in Canberra, still 5.4 degrees. Still got our zombie boy hanging out in Adelaide, being bad, being evil and bad in Hobart. Nathan David Breeze, 9. Samuel's birthday. And the Mirror Boy, turning 16. William is nearly 16, 15.9. Yeah, I guess he would be almost 15.9. He'd be about 15.8 actually at the moment. I think there's going to be signs. There's going to be a few twins. And I think now his birthday's the 6th of the 9th. The 6th of the 9th. A bit of Darwin and a bit of Perth. 6 and 9. The 6th of the 9th. Well, that's his birthday, the 6th of September. Well, I think either side of that date something's going to happen. So the 21st, 22nd of September and the 21st, 22nd of August. 21st, 22nd of August and the 21st, 22nd of September. Whichever way you prefer to see it. Twins. Now 22 is the most powerful number in numerology, and Jake died on the 22nd. Samuel, like I've been saying, Samuel, who was born actually in Indonesia, so he's born up here, in Jakarta. We've been talking about Samuel's birthday on the 24th of June, a Sunday. But there's another Samuel, a different Samuel, who's turning 9 on Sunday the 16th of December. And that is 22 days after the birthday of Nathan David Breeze. Because Nathan's birthday this year is on a Saturday. Nathan's birthday is the 24th of November. Saturday the 24th of November is the birthday of Nathan Breeze. And what's interesting, Nathan died on a Saturday. His birthday's on a Saturday, 24th of November. Then 22 days later, it's Samuel's birthday. Not the Samuel I was talking about, who was born in Indonesia, who drew me the picture. Not him, but another Samuel. They know each other. 2 different boys, both named Samuel, both turning 9. And what's really weird is that the number of days between their birthdays is 175. Why is that weird? Because that's the value of Samuel's full name, 175. As in Indonesian Samuel, his name has a value of 175, his full name, including his middle name, 175. That's kind of weird. It's also the value of Steamboat Geyser, And Steamboat Geyser, that's in the Yellowstone National Park in America. And Nathan said there's going to be a triplet sign on my birthday. And I had no idea what that meant. But I said it in a few videos. And I was like, whatever. A triplet sign on my birthday. Yeah, whatever that means. About a week after my birthday, my attention was drawn for some reason. Oh yeah, I googled volcanic eruption. I just googled volcanic eruption. And to see if there was anything happening. And the headline at that point in time was the Steamboat Geyser in the Yellowstone National Park. It had erupted 3 times in 2 months. And the third eruption was on my birthday. Friday the 27th of April, 2018. The third eruption in 2 months, and it hadn't erupted prior to that for about 4 years at all. So that's weird. There actually was a triplet sign on my birthday. Not only that, but a week later, it erupted again. Also on the Friday, the 4th of May. That was the 9th birthday of Oliver. Oliver is friends with Samuel. So, what is going to happen? This is going very slowly. This poor computer. Because I'm uploading a video right now. So I'm uploading a video and I'm making it play. I'm making it play this at the same time, and it's not liking me at all. It is not liking this. Oh, and I'm compressing a video. I'm compressing a video, I'm uploading a video, and I'm making it play a video. And it's struggling. But it's getting there. It's trying. It's working hard. It's building muscle. That's what it's doing. It's building muscle right now. It's working hard. It's doing the uphill run. So, that's what's happening. There's going to be twin signs, including an East Coast low. And at least I think that's what it is. And, something I haven't mentioned, which I should, is Hurricane Ernesto. Well, back to Oliver, the boy who turned 9 on the 4th of May. He kept asking me about Red Rain. Did you bring Red Rain? It's a novel by R.L. Stine. It's got twins in it. And the day there was this day he asked me, did you bring it? And I hadn't brought it. And there were twins right there. Identical twins. When he asked me. And Samuel was wearing a red hat. And I said to Samuel, do you know what a red hat means? And he said, yeah. A red hat means 666. Which was the number I had just been working on in relation to Mount Agung. Now, I hadn't told these kids anything about any of my weird stuff. Nothing about predicting stuff, nothing about Jake, nothing about anything at all. Except I had mentioned Red Rain by R.L. Stine. Oliver wanted to read it. Identical twins in the book, and they were right there in reality. So it all got a bit strange when Samuel goes, yeah, red hat means 666. And then Oliver and Elliot started talking about Murder 11, Irwin, Murder 11, and I've never told them anything about Jake. Nothing about anything. And suddenly they're saying Jake's middle name, Irwin, and they're saying Murder 11. Well, Jake was murdered aged 11. And I was kind of like, oh my god, these kids are psychic or something. And then Elliot even managed to, I don't know, he said murder in the USA Then he said murder in the USA. Jake was murdered in the USA. But there's no way he could have known that. And then, yeah. And then he said, I think there were 2 gunshots. Aquarium Man, 129. Stephen, 85. John Jake Chambers. He's the boy in the dark tower. John Jake Chambers equals 143. Stephen, 85. Storm equals 85. Aquarium Man, 129. 15. William. The Mirror Boy's turning 15. 2 symbolizes twins. 11. Jake's age. 2 11s. 2 11s. 111. The value of Providence. It's also the value of Galunggung, the name of a volcano in Indonesia, on Java. Galunggung. 111. Providence. 111. Nathan David Breeze. 159. 2 11s. Bad, evil, Hobart. 56. Flames equals 56. Flames. Light. 195. That's like a rearrangement. I'm talking too much, I'm losing my voice. 159, Nathan David Breeze, was like a rearrangement of 159 is 195. What equals 195? I forgot. Can't remember. Something does. 6 is the devil's number, so says Samuel. Bad equals 7. Flames. Light. Wet. Like I said, it gets wet where I live when there's an East Coast loo pumping in the water, but right now we've got just onshore winds and it's pouring in Sydney. It's pouring in Sydney. Aquarium Man equals 129. Stephen, 85. Stephen. Remember what I said? Stephen. Stephen. Storm. Halloween is a Wednesday this year, Wednesday the 31st of October. That's when I found Red Rain, was on Saturday the 31st of October 2015 in the Queanbeyan Library. I wrote Red Rain equals 69 and 2 hours later I'm sitting in the library, I look up and I see Red Rain. Stephen, 85. Aquarium Man. John Jake Chambers. This is almost like everything I've mentioned in what I've written, because I kind of like, I wrote something. See if I can find it. Oh, what's on TV? Severe weather. Boats getting washed around, smashed around by the wind, huh? Sydney, Melbourne. Yeah, like I was saying, this kind of relates to something I wrote today about Jake. Because we've got Aquarium Man, 129, Stephen, or Storm, 85, John Jake Chambers, 143, Nathan David Breeze, 159, Providence, 111, Rude, or Evil, 48, Flames, 56, and then a reflection of 159 in 195. It's kind of amazing. So I wrote this. Jacob's hope lives. 11 for Jacob. 11-year-old Jake Watling grew up in the small town of St. Joseph in Minnesota, USA. And then I've just mentioned that it's 11 days from now until the 16th of June. A reflection of the Keystone Date in the Dark Tower. John Jake Chambers, like I said. It's changed to 142 now. 142 is actually the value of Western Park. Western Park is the place in Canberra where I got approached when I was 13. I was 13. Jake was 11. 2 11s is 22. 2 11s. 111. 53 and 53. 5.3 and 5.3. Skin equals 53. You know, there's a movie about, it's sort of on the topic of sexual abuse, and it's called Mysterious Skin. It's a very powerful movie. Mysterious Skin. Skin, 53. Rebel Boy, or Rain Boy, equals 84. Stephen King equals 128. He's the author of The Dark Tower. So, Aquarium Man was 129, and John Jake Chambers was 143. Now we've got Stephen King, 128, Western Park, 142. 13 was Nathan's age. 11, Jake's age. And Jake died on the 22nd, which is 2 11s, Sunday 22nd of October, 1989, which is why Jake's death, his murder, was later always associated with Halloween. Skin times 2. It's for Halloween pranks, said Samuel. And he drew a face that reminded me of Stephen off the show E Street. It was a soapy back in the early 90s. You know, a bit like Neighbours, but this one was based in Sydney instead of Melbourne. What else did I write? So 11-year-old Jake Chambers is The Boy in the Dark Tower by Stephen King. And we are 19 days away from the 24th of June. June is the 6th month, September's the 9th month. Samuel's turning 9 on the 24th of June. 6-9 reflects, well, it's William's birthday, the 6th of the 9th. Red Rain of Blood, the real blood of the child. Red Boy, Boy Jake Chambers. He's turning 16. So he's 15 now. Six is the devil's number. Flames. 5, 6. $148 days, the value of the Dark Tower. It's the number of days between today and Halloween. The face of William equals 148. 90 and 9. 90 and 9. 99. Go then. There are other worlds than these. The Dark Tower. Boy's birthday. Birthday boys. 1, 4 and 8 is 13. And today is 38 days before Friday, the 13th of July, 2018. True. and it's now 10:12 p.m. Tuesday 5th of June. True. 1, 4 and 8 is 13. 38 days until Friday, the 13th of July. July, not June. Which actually symbolizes 13/7, July being the 7th month. Samuel Delaney equals 137. Bad Jacob, my fire. Ocean, 3 and 8, 11. 3 8s, 24. The twin dates, 148. 14 and 8, 22. Twin dates, 22nd of August and 22nd of September. Maybe the 21st of August, 21st of September as well. 15 days before and 16 days after William's birthday. 69 equals 139. September child. 13 and 9 is 22. 2 2s are 4. 4 and 4 is 8. 4 times 4 is 16. Hope equals 44. 8 and 8 is 16. Remember earlier we had 88? The Red Rain twin. The Red Rain twin. 16 and 8, 24. The 24th of June is 175 days before the 16th of December. So Samuel's birthday, 175 days before Samuel's birthday. 17 plus 5 is 22. St. Joseph, Jacob's train, volcano date. 11 times 2 is 22. The twin dates. Age, 13. Boy's fire, volcano lad, Jacob's bad boy. That's Nathan. Nathan Breeze, the bad boy, age 13. He is Nathan, Brat Nathan. On pajama day, good Nathan, my Breeze. 9 9s are 81. Tower, 81. 8 and 1 is 9. 9 equals 42. 9 boy. 5. Radar. Rain. Rain. 42. Kid equals 24. 2 4s are 8. Samuel is aged 8. Tuesday, the 5th of June 2018. Today is 11 days before Saturday, 16th of June 2018. 1 and 6 is 7. Bad is 7. 16 and 7, 23. I am 23. The age Nathan turns this year. Nathan died on a Saturday. He died on Saturday the 7th of February 2009. Like Saturday, he died with his sister, Crystal, and his mum and his little sister, plus a whole heap of other people. The Keystone date, East Coast Low Kid. What do you say? What do you say to that? 17 times 7, 119. Nathan Breeze, Jake's bad twin. Satan and Daniel, dead twin angel. Evil Samuel as the twin. Red Rain, by R.L. Stein. The 12-year-old, blonde, angelic boys, identical twins, Daniel and Samuel. There's a scene in that novel with a swimming pool. Bad twin Demas, he's reflected. Bad twin Jason, reflected Brat. The fantasy mirror is the angelic image of you and me. 119. 119. The value of Nathan Breeze. 17 times 7. What do you say? East Coast Lou Kid? What do you say? Six, 6 and 6 is 18. 9 and 9 is 18. 11 nines from Nathan Breeze equals 119. The angelic image of you and me. 11 nines, 99. 9 and 9, 18. 6, 6 and 6 is 18. Evil Boy Ernesto. The name of the hurricane in Red Rain. Hurricane memory. 4 times 4. Boy Jacob aged 16. An age Jake never got to be. 16. Alfred Deakin. My ring of William. Erupting my fire. What's happening with the weather? Storms in Perth. Painful ring of fire, burning brightly. Volcanoes erupt, like bushfires. Seismic activity. Division, twins. Papandayan, Puntang. Indonesian volcano. Papandayan. 18 and 6 is 24. Jake was born on the 17th of February. Nathan died on the 7th of February. Boy, Daniel and Samuel. 17. 7. Jacob and Daniel. Daniel and Samuel. Hot twin bad boys. Samuel's birthday. Gunung Papandayan. 17 and 7 is 24. And Nathan, his birthday is 22 days. Before Sunday the 16th of December 2018, Samuel's birthday. The other Samuel, he's part Palestinian. He told me. It's 10:21. 10:21 p.m. Tuesday 5th of June 2018. Jake Towers equals 127. That's actually the name that helped me find the street. Stephen equals 85. 13. Nathan was 13. At first, the first house I looked at was number 9. But it was number 6. Jake Towers, 127. Stormboy, 127. Storm, 85. Stephen, 85. Nathan died in a firestorm. Described as the perfect firestorm. Jake died aged 11. 9. Nathan was one of 9 people who died at number 9. Jake died aged 11. Bad boy equals 49. Stormboy. Stormboy 127. Storm equals 85. There's our J. Bad boy 49. Our twin bad boy has gone. Survivor equals 144. 144. 4 fours is 16. Jake was 11. Bad boy 49. Skin 53. And there you have it. There you have the prophecy of Jacob Wethling and Nathan Breeze. Nathan Breeze, who is turning 23 this year. But where is he? Where is Nathan? Where is Jacob? And what's going to happen on their dates? Did I mention Friday the 13th? Yeah. It's a reflection of Halloween. There you go. It's 24 past 10, and that's the age. Samuel. It's the date when Samuel is turning 9. Sunday the 24th of June. Nathan's birthday, Saturday the 24th of November, 2018.